Okay, let's go ahead and talk about this Anker European Travel Plug Adapter. So it's going to take a United States of America plug-in and it's going to adapt it for a European plug. I used this on my trip to France and it worked out wonderfully. Now, a couple things about it is, first off, you are going to put this in the wall, and so once it's plugged in, you have a lot of power options. You first off have the front three-prong bank with the oversized prong on one part. And so this is going to carry, a lot of the high voltage stuff that you need to charge. It's also going to have a two-prong up top with the larger prong, but not this third one. And so you can plug in lower power cables and bricks in here. And then down here, it's going to have three different USB ports. It's going to have one USB-A port, kind of the old-fashioned one, the one we're all used to. And then it's going to have two of these USB-C ports. And so these are for, newer phones, newer devices, and that sort of thing. So overall, this gives you, look how small it is. And it basically gives you 5 different plug-in options. You got 2 for power cords, and you've got 3 for USB stuff. So, man, this was wonderful because in this one plug, I could go to, in this case, France with my wife, and we could plug everything in we needed in one night. We could plug both our phones in here, and then plug in, anything else that we needed, whether it was, to recharge a battery pack or to plug in a laptop or something like that. And so this was more than enough in one plug for us to get everything that we needed to get done. It does have a little power light here that indicates that it's working, which is nice. Obviously, if you plug something in and it's not charging, you kind of get the same indication, but it's nice to have that. Overall, made by Anker. I buy all my power device stuff from them because they make really good stuff and they don't skimp out on the way that they're made. So I highly recommend this simple device, but it packs quite the punch when you look at all the features that it offers.